Hello and welcome. In this video demonstration, I will be showing you how to create a Fieldpack event on the desktop and mobile. Make sure your packing materials, master styles, and products are set up in your Croptracker account. If you've set up a piece rate using the punch clock module, Croptracker can track the number of units harvested by each employee for you. For more step-by-step guides on how to set up for Fieldpack or piece rate pay, check out the video links in the description or on our website. To start, select the New Fieldpack button, or select Harvest, Record Fieldpack from the green menu bar. Enter the packing date and the lot number for traceability reports later. Select the products that you'll be packing into. This step is important. It will limit the products that you can pack with when we move to your pallets. Click Next to move to the Where screen in order to select the block or blocks that you will be field packing in. You can select them straight from the map or scroll down to select your areas by block or by crop and variety. Click Next and move to Confirm. Here, if you are packing with a wax lot, enter the number and select whether your packing materials were checked for cleanliness. Enter a responsible person contact and select the responsible person assessed site. Optionally, enter any comments or notes. Click Save. To manually add your pallets on the desktop, click on the blue Add Pallet button. You can create pallets for your Fieldpack in advance and pre-print your master tags and pallet tags here. To pre-print your master tags, click the blue Pre-print Master Tags button. Find the master style you're using from the list and toggle the blue arrow button next to View. Select Print Tags and enter the number of tags you need. If you do not fill in the date, it will leave a space to fill it in by hand when the tag is printed. Now you can add your Fieldpack inputs in the field using the mobile app. From the iOS app, scroll down and select Fieldpack. Tap on the blue arrow next to your event and select Pallets and Masters. To scan your pre-printed master tags, tap the barcode icon in the top corner to open the scanner. Select the pallet, block, and employee harvesting it. Then scan the barcode on your master container and press Save. Your container has now been added to the pallet. To add your picked inputs without scanning the container, tap the blue arrow and select Create Masters. Select a style, the number of filled masters, the block, and the employee who picked it. The steps on the Android app are very similar. Under Fieldpack, select the event you created. Press the Options drop-down menu and select Pallets. From this screen, press the three dots in the top left corner and select Scan Master Tags. Scan the barcode on your master container and select the pallet, block, and employee harvesting it and press Save. You can manually add masters from this screen as well. Hit the dot and line icon at the top left screen and fill in your information. Once you hit Save, your container has been added to your pallet. To view the entire history of the pallet you just created, you can run Croptracker's mock recall report. To learn how to run this report and any others, check out the reports video link in the description or on our website. This concludes our field packing demo. If you have any other questions, check out the knowledge base links and videos in the description or on our website at www.croptracker.com. As always, thanks for watching.